Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 49 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a favorite word, and I've got laughing. That's my favorite word because I like to laugh. I like funny things. Something gray. I've got this gray kitty cat. Something you can sit on. I've got this bus. A drawing or an illustration. I've got this. Something in your bag or purse, and I've got candy wrapper that's been torn. And bonus is something mechanical, and I've got these little cogs. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. I am going to try surreal again. Definitely not my comfort zone, but I love it. And I've just started, I've done like surreal with like children's books and stuff like that, you know, play around. But as for like your typical magazine type collage, I have not done much of that. And I love watching Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Design. I like East of Eden, Rosie. And I like Debbie, my Vagabond Style, who does a lot of surreal. And I love it. And so I'm trying to learn to do it. So I got this background paper down. I found it in a magazine. I've had it cut. I want to say it's National Geographic, but I'm not sure. All right. Now, let me get my art glitter glue and let me see if I can get some of the bubbles out of this. Okay, so what I've got here. I figured this bus is going to be riding along. Where I can decide to put it. And I want my kitty cat to be kind of sitting on top of it. Now I have got, my paper didn't come all the way over, but I've got this giant foot I thought would kind of be cool. And I'm going to have her standing on the foot looking at the kitty cat. So far so good. I'm going to start at least tacking it down until I decide where it'll be so that it won't keep moving around. Okay. I think my foot will be fine. I just won't go all the way to the edge. Okay, I'll have her kind of on it. Now let's see. My kitty cat. I want his foot kind of resting on top of that. Excuse me. And then have it right there. Now let's see. I thought my cogs could kind of go like that. I think it's going to fit best like that. So. And I've got this giant bug swooping in. Go ahead and get that down. Now, I still don't have my Christmas stuff up. Hopefully we'll get it done today. We have been so busy and I have not managed my time well. And then my oven went out yesterday, which is, it's not good timing. We went to Lowe's and we saw one and they said it could be 2 weeks before it gets here. So we don't know what we're gonna do yet. All right, I've got this kitty cat. I don't know exactly what to do with these papers. Maybe extend it. I like that. So. It's so tempting for me to just skip the some of the prompts, but I've never, in the 2 years that I've done this, I haven't skipped one. So, for better or worse. All right, now I want to give my little kitty cat some wings, and I think I'm going to have to put a slit into that one. So let me do that. Just going to kind of go around the head there. A little higher. There we go. Tag that down. And I'll put this one like that. I didn't think that out very well, did I? Okay. Now let's see. Put them down. Yeah, I made homemade pizza yesterday, which takes, it's not hard, it just takes time because your dough's got to rise and all that. So I spent all morning, getting the dough and stuff. Turned on the oven to heat up when it was time, made out my pizza, and sure enough, went to put the pizza in there and the oven was ice cold. We had smelt something burning, but my son was cooking, so we thought it was what he was cooking. But it was probably starting to burn out. Okay. I have this little kitty cat, and I've got a monkey hanging off. I think that's cute. Okay, I'll put him there. have to work on my collage, my surreal collage, because I like it, but it just, I feel like sometimes you get the feeling where you just put stuff there. Alright. But it's fun. Alright. Let's see here. Now, there we go. I always have a rag and then I can't find it when I need it. Now these are just pretty much sticking something down. But it is what it is. Get this down, I'll need it somewhere here. Now it wants to stop up. Okay, go down just a little bit lower. Like that. You don't stop laughing because you grow old. You grow old because you stop laughing. And I'm going to use that to put my prompts in. Okay. Now let me get her. I think I can go ahead and glue that down. Okay. Most of these images I got out of my cut and collage Extraordinary Things book. Get And then I thought about kind of putting their heads out the window. So I don't talk as much when I do this because it takes a lot more thought for me. But the whole idea for this is to be fun. All right. I lost my pen top. There it is. Alrighty then. So we have got favorite word, laughing, something gray, my kitty cat, a drawing or illustration, this lady, the glue off of her, something found in your bag or purse, I've got the candy wrapper, and bonus, something mechanical, I've got the cogs. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I'm going to have to give a story to some of my surreal. I'm not very good at storytelling, but I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all have a great and wonderful week. Love y'all. Take care. Bye, y'all.